Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset LocalSend step by step. If LocalSend isn't working properly, your settings have become misconfigured, or you simply want to restore the app to its default state, resetting it can often solve the problem. So let's get started. First, completely close the LocalSend app on your device. If it's still running in the background, exit it from the system tray or use Task Manager on Windows to end any LocalSend processes. This ensures the app isn't using its settings while you reset it. Next, open LocalSend again and check the Settings menu to see if your version includes a reset, restore defaults, or similar option. If it's available, select it and confirm the action to restore the application's default settings. If your version doesn't include a built-in reset feature, you can reset LocalSend by uninstalling the application and then installing the latest version from the official LocalSend website or your device's app store. I mean, a clean reinstall replaces the application files and restores the default configuration. After the reset or reinstallation is complete, launch LocalSend and review the default settings. If necessary, reconnect your devices to the same Wi-Fi network and customize the app again, such as changing the device name or save location. Finally, test the app by sending a small file between two devices. If the transfer completes successfully, the reset was successful and LocalSend should now be working normally, and that's it. You now know how to reset LocalSend and restore it to its default settings. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.